Now, stereochemistry. Stereochemistry, which deals the 3D representation of organic compound in space. Here, some terms are used in stereochemistry like achiral carbon. Achiral carbon, carbon whose valency is fulfilled by four all same group or maybe two same group. So they are arranged in such a way that, as I have written here, B are on same BB, and mirror I am writing in between these two objects. Now you will observe, when object and image are overlap with each other, then it is said to be superimposable mirror image. Now then object and image are superimposable, means overlap with each other, so they are overlapping, therefore they are known as diastereomer. And when source of light is used to the object, when source of light is used to the object, then object there is a B, and in image also same element or same group, that is B. So object and image are not differentiated by the light, so that it is said to be optically inactive. Means there is a source of light is used which it cannot be differentiated object and image, that is said to be optically inactive. Now here the second term, that is racemic mixture, or the process is known as racemization. In case of racemization, here the mixture of 50 is to 50, here it is given 50 is to 50, right? So these mixture are used, that is dextro and levo. Dextro means clockwise rotation, levo means anti-clockwise rotation. Dextro is represented by small d as well as positive sign, and levo is represented with small l and negative sign. As I said, the 50 is to 50 mixture of dextro and levo. So these 50 is to 50 dextro and levo are rotation, are find out by the experiment. It is cannot be find out by the observing the example. So here, as I have written the experiment also, when any source of light is passed through Nicol prism, when source of light is passed through Nicol prism, all light is absorbed, and it is absorbed and emitted in a one plane of light, that is plane polarized light. Why the medium changing, here I am changing the medium by putting a sample, that is solution, in between plane polarized light, then there is a deviation in that plane polarized light. If deviation to the right of the plane polarized light, then it is said to be dextro. If it is to the left, then it is said to be levorotatory, and so on. So the mixture of dextro and levo is known as racemic mixture, and the process is known as racemization. As I have written example here, here in this example I am arranging this group or element to the increasing order of their atomic number, and hence if I am writing increasing order of atomic number, so it is tends to clockwise rotation, that is dextro. So for this clockwise rotation, if I'll draw a mirror image, then I will get anti-clockwise. So this clockwise and this anti-clockwise, they are non-superimposable, therefore they are known as pair of enantiomer, and hence it is optically active, because when source of light is used in here, in object I will observe this is a methyl group, and in case of image we will observe that is a BR. So the light is observed or differentiate these two, so that it is said to be pairs of enantiomer. And 50 of dextro and 50 of levo or mixed together is known as dextro levo, that is the racemic mixture, and the process is known as racemization. Now term retention itself indicate that substitution takes place to the same place of the leaving group. This is the leaving group. This leaving group is removed, and in the same place Z is to be substituted, that is said to be retention to the same place, as we will study in the SN1 mechanism. In SN1 mechanism, there is a first step formation of carbocation, and this carbocation then react with nucleophile to substitute to the same place where the leaving group halide or any other group is to be removed. That is said to be retention. Retention means substitution takes place to the same place of the leaving group. Inversion. Inversion means substitution takes place to the opposite side of the leaving group. As I said, see, this is the leaving group X and substitution of Z to the say opposite side. So there is a formation of compound in which Z is substituted to the opposite side of the leaving group, and this we will discuss in example, that is SN2 mechanism. As in SN2 mechanism, as we know, nucleophilic substitution takes place to the opposite side of the leaving group. So there is a formation of nucleophilic substitution reaction, and that is said to be inversion. Substitution takes place to the opposite side of the leaving group.